Paul, the Indian consul, was almost an exact copy of the man I was making myself into. He was also mixing business and diplomacy in bewildering ways.
Thank you for the match, Paul. It's fantastic to win my first tennis match, the Central African Republic.
And to my amazement, he had also had plans to open up a match factory in the Central African Republic.
Let's start with the matches, because I'm curious why you did not do it.
I told you it was a little bit difficult. The country is not secure, so everybody got the gun, so anything is can happen anytime.
Yes.
It's really complicated, this country, man. You have to be careful. They will eat your money and they kick you on your ass. So be careful with these people. The people, they lost millions of dollars here in the night. Millions of dollars. I was here, I saw the people. They will come here 4 o'clock in the house and put you the gun and tell you whole money which you have, you have to give us. We got order. And the same time everywhere on your office.
Wow. Who did that happen to?
It's happened with all the diamond people. They lost their own money. $1.5 million, one company they lost in the night. Don't tell anybody about your plans. You just came to open your...
My consulate?
Yeah, consulate, fine.
Yes.
Things.
I shouldn't talk about my business plans? No.
It's not a time.
I was thinking about telling
you can talk with the consulars.
Yes.
But be careful with the consular of, what you say, Netherlands?
Netherlands?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to be careful with Belgium, all the European.
Yes.
Because they are reporting to the ambassador of France.
Yes. And I want to steer clear of France.
Other African consulate, there is no problem. But these people, they have to be careful.